Where are you going today?
Going to enjoy a beautiful day. And as always, writing the best story of my life. Do you want to come?
Paano ba papuntang Dominion Overseas Management Euro-Asia Corporation? Kung ikaw ay manggaling sa EDSA Taft, ito ay malapit lang bago mag-Quirino Station Avenue. Baba ka ng Remedios Street at tumawid ka sa kabila diretso lang. Diretso pa, at meron kang makita dyan na building ang pangalan ay Royal Plaza Twin Towers, yan na yan. Huwag kang maiyang pumasok at magtanong sa guard. At ito ay nasa 7th floor lang. Ang Dominion Overseas Management Euro-Asia Corporation. Room number 707. Dito sa Remedios Street, Malati, Manila. Please follow. For more videos update, thank you.